Okay, so log rotate is one of those really simple things, takes seconds to set up. Now Magento by default stores all the logs in var log. So you'll find that if you've been given an old server, like some questionably set up 5-year-old Magento server, the first thing I notice is that the log directory is going to be 70 gigabytes because no one's ever rotated the logs or deleted them. And the hard disk is just slowly filling up. But thankfully it takes a few seconds to set up, so I'm just going to go through the steps here. So first of all, you can check your log rotate is installed by running log rotate version. If you don't have it installed, all you need to do is run, if you're on Debian or something like that, it's apt-get update, apt-get install log rotate. Again, it's really simple. Now to configure it, so what I've got here is my deploy user set to Ubuntu, my deploy group set to Ubuntu, my deploy directory set to var www.html. This is where I've got Magento installed, and then I can just run this quickly. All it does is add our configuration file for Magento2 here, and just lets us know that we want to rotate the log. We'll keep 31 days worth of logs, and we will rotate it daily. So it's normally what you'll find is if a server's been set up correctly, or well, you would normally use something like Splunk or Datadog to store the logs, so you don't really even need this. But I can't really think of a scenario you need more than 31 days worth of logs on the server itself. So that'll do for our use case. And now if we go to that log rotate directory, you'll see we've now got an entry for Magento 2. And our deployed directory has been configured, our user and our group is Ubuntu. And that's it. So before we run it, we're going to get back into our Magento directory, go into var log, and you'll see that we've just got a few logs in there. So to confirm it's working, we're going to run this command. So sudo log rotate -f, and then with a link to our log rotate configuration file we just set up. So that just forces it to be run just now. So rather than wait until tomorrow to find out it works, we run it now. And if we go in, you can see the logs have been rotated. Our new logs are 0 bytes because nothing's in them yet. And that's it. So every night you'll have, if you use this configuration, in 31 days you'll have 31 zip files, and then they'll start getting deleted off after that. So your disk space should never fill up because of logs. There are the occasional bug in Magento that might just spam the log uncontrollably, but for normal usage, this should keep you covered. And that's pretty much it. Thanks now.